Water damage is one of the most serious issues faced by homeowners. And if you are not concerned because your home has not flooded recently, think again. Even a small crack in a pipe can cause substantial water damage. Water damage can be hidden and lead to serious problems for a home. The longer water sits, the more damage it does. So you need to identify the problem and take care of it as soon as possible. AdvantaClean of Fort Lauderdale can help. We have more than 2 decades of experience and understand the challenges Florida homeowners face when it comes to dealing with water damage in their homes. AdvantaClean provides water damage cleanup and restoration according to national industry standards and the Institute of Inspection Cleaning and Restoration certification. You will get assistance with cleanup, drying, repairs, and assistance with what you can do long-term to prevent future problems. AdvantaClean's professional water damage service is available 24/7 and can help with flood emergencies. Homeowners get all of their questions answered and can rest easy knowing they are receiving a best-in-class client experience. AdvantaClean's 4-step water drying process ensures that water and moisture are completely removed from your home so you don't need to worry about further damage. To learn more or to schedule an estimate regarding water damage in your home with AdvantaClean of Fort Lauderdale, call us at 754-218-8070.